Okay, wait. Oh my God.
You see? Just imagine. Eh? Just rate this small boy, this little boy with Nigerian government. And this small boy this as he's small, so as he's small rich, so if this boy too much with the die pass when he put on, so if he too much, he go be 15 months. He never reach 2 years. 15 or 17 months, now this small boy go there. The boy never reach 2 years, 1 year plus, now the boy there. He never reach 24 months. If he too much, 15 months, or you know difference between song, music, and cartoon. You know, say cartoon, don't look and say 11 before when it day 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, 1 year. If mother give her cartoon, because if not, a mother for not give her that cartoon. You look at see level, don't they grow, don't they list, don't they guess what kind things from those songs. For that this particular song, if the small boy they feel them, you know say there's different. Imagine Nigeria government no feel no different between 1960 and 2020. They see they fool themselves. Oh, Europe they laugh for us. Europe they laugh them. See, for this life, you know good me get shameless person as your government, as your governor, as your president. Our governors, our president, all of them they shameless. They don't get shame. If they get shame from the letter they move, they go France, they go UK, they go America, they go Dubai. Shame from the letter they go. Because they go sleep for they'll go. They will see that they work out, they know they see sand. You know they see sand marsh. You know they step on sand. You know they march anything like sand. You as you see and so you like can, I make you the travel they go. I make you the send your children they go. You they shameless. Let me they plan for the masses. You they shameless. Let me not value your citizens. You they shameless. Let me not want to make the younger one go school. You they shameless. Let me you carry carton of Indomie rice when you go eat. As you eat and finish, the next thing after that moment when you eat and that moment so when you eat that this food, particular food. After they eat and finish, they be the taste. After that moment, once warm, when they your belly don't use and play. You don't turn to wait till they throw away. The next thing you go toilet, you flush and throw away. What you go eat when we say you not be say you want eat and now you won't be say you don't be food you receive a lot of money when they be say president when he dey UK when he dey America Dubai when they don't go they know they receive am but they try to make the country dey nice because they like better things because they dey shame they get shame they feel for the masses they know what it pain fit cause that one never pay me wetin pay me pass na the one when old man upon this small video this small boy video when we watch so old man see go fool himself see name na Fashola toll gate Lekki toll gate be say they don't scatter do many things for them people don't go clean everywhere sweep people don't go there many times waka for different places for that place na Fashola they see camera they pig want to do investigation. Pay me. I don't know who do all this thing. See, you better say they swear for this country, Nigeria. They swear for us. They swear for us, because people when they build that Aso Rock, they poof them. Make I use that language. When they poof them. So maybe one of them swear for Nigeria. Now made the government, the governors, the president, they don't get shame. They be this shameless from the beginning to the end. No one when they get shame. No, not they look me. No, what is watch the video. You watch.
evidence that will be useful in investigating the Lekki shooting. Afterwards, they head back to Marina, appealing for peace and assuring the public of bringing the...
You don't see him, Abi? You see him? Abi, your eye clear, you see him, so you see him, Abi? You see him? Imagine as Nigeria did, as you clever rich, if you go US, now we be IS, now we come out first class, say education level, Nigerians, they know. The government, Nigeria governments, they know. The governors, they know. The governors, they know. They know Nigeria now they date on top. Because they use all they play Amababa. It be like when we dey small, when they pull sand, this like pangolo, pull some rice. If we boil am with sand finish, they can't do Amababa finish. Then we go take one stick, collect the sand, do for your throat. You give the other one. You don't eat. Now for the code users they play. So we not get sense. I'm not gonna blame them because they do this thing because they know say the lawyers, the judge in Nigeria, once they give them small money, they go to jump like jumping chicken. Jump like jumping chicken. Talk with the court law when they not read. Talk lie. Person when not guilty, they say that person they guilty. Person when not guilty, and I make everybody they fear to talk on a public. We not they feel they talk. Nothing. Useless people. Eh? Imagine you come we told them say they don't clean since. They don't clean up. People don't work out. Boys they loot. They say boys they loot things since. Boys don't work out past that place. They don't see camera. Camera when children say they play. They not see him. You just see him carry him. Take Anki carry him. Yes, when they say the investigation, when they say investigate. Tell us story. Because we be Tata.